Applicant AW3548CE, please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Rachel Dayday Saura. I'm 28 years of age, married. I have one daughter and two sons, 9 years old, 7 years old, and 6 years old. I am also Roman Catholic. I'm first year college, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. And I have already experienced work in Kuwait, 2 years and 2 months. Starting date, February 3, 2022 until May 3, 2024. And I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children. The age of children, 4 years old, 3 years old, and 2 years old.
You mentioned you worked as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 2 months. So tell me about your duties and responsibilities in your previous job.
Caring of kids, cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing.
Okay, very good. So can you tell us how you'll take care of the children?
Give food, good, showering, change clothes, and go to school.
Okay, very good. So what are some of your skills?
Cooking.
You said you know how to cook. Do you have any experience in Chinese cooking?
No, but I'm interested to know how to cook Chinese food.
Okay, very good. So what are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Hardworking, honest, responsible, and God-fearing. God-fearing.
Okay, nice to hear. So anything else you want to tell for your future employer?
So all employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic worker because I am hardworking, honest, responsible to do all my works. I promise that I will love your children as my own children. Thank you and God bless. See you soon.